Do you remember that little voice that says, she won't like me? Or he doesn't even know who I am? Welcome, my name's Ed Zinkiewicz and I have a tip for you today. Forget that naysayer voice. It isn't real. Gillian Sandstrom, a psychology lecturer at the University of Essex in the UK, has written several things about a thing she calls the liking gap. The difference between what you think is going on and what really is going on in terms of what people are thinking about you. Well, I think we learned all that stuff in junior high and haven't gotten over it, some of us, or at least some of the time. Remember, you walk down the hall and somebody over there would be glancing your way and they'd be laughing or smirking or looking out their eyes sideways at you, and you got all uptight about what they're saying about me. Remember all that stuff? Well, hey, guess what? You were a mess. But so was everybody else. They had the same worries about you. Just get over it. You know, that naysayer voice isn't real. Sandstrom says, when you talk to somebody, you actually brighten their day. Imagine that. You make a positive difference in somebody else's life by saying hello. So, hey, brighten their day and brighten yours too. Make new acquaintances. Reach out and talk to someone. Don't worry about that little naysayer voice anymore. You could have a brighter day. What do you do to help brighten your day and get over that little naysayer voice? I'd love to hear. Make a comment below. See you next time.
Did you know I add a new video to the Growing Library every Tuesday and Thursday at 10? This is Ed. Thanks for coming. I hope you'll come back. These videos will help you find joy, make friends, and keep active.